So hello, after a longer while I'm again here, and today I am talking about audio jack plug, which can be used in many different situations. It is carrying the analog audio signals, and this is the DIY audio jack plug, and you can send, let's say, audio signal from your computer, smartphone or whatsoever to your headphones. Or you can send in to some device, let's say voice, over audio jack plug to the desktop computer, laptop, whatsoever. And today I will be covering the basic informations about audio jack plug, different types, okay, models, some informations, how to connect audio jack plug, etc. So without further ado, let's just start. So one interesting thing is that audio jack plug, it was used also for transference of video signal from the device to the, let's say, television. But that way it is long gone. It is not has been using for many years. Okay, so first I need to talk to you about the models of this audio jack plug, how many contacts it has. First one is two-pole or mono audio jack plug, also called as TS. On the top you have positive side, and on the bottom you have negative or ground side. So then also we have three-pole audio jack plug, which is for stereo audio signals. You can also use it for mono if you want, but it is mainly used for stereo. So on the top is left audio channel, then it is right audio channel, and on the bottom is ground or negative side, and it is called TRS. So next one is four-pole audio jack plug, also known as TRRS, and that connector has been using for years and years on the smartphones, laptop computers, some desktop computers, and some other devices. Top contact is for left audio signal, second is for right audio signal, then it is the ground or negative, and the last contact, fourth one, is for microphone. Recently I figured out that Nokia is using on some devices switched ground and microphone contact, but mostly we are using, like I said, left, right, ground or negative, and then microphone the last. Now let's go to the 5-pole audio jack plug. 5-pole audio jack plug, it is used by Sony and probably with some other company. They are using this special edition of audio jack plug. I will not be talking about it. Let's just say it is also labeled as TRRS. Okay, we covered these main models, but what does TS, TRS, TRS, TRRS means exactly? Let's see. T stands for tip, and it is the top of the connector. Top contact of the connector, yeah. S is for sleeve, and it is bottom contact of the connector. Then we also have R from three-pole, which is TRS, then it is TRRS. So more contacts, more R's. And R is for ring. We saw the models. Now let's go to the diameters of the connectors. Main diameters are 2.5, 3.5 and 6.35 millimeters. But you can rarely also find on some devices that uses 4.44 millimeter ones. And you can see also on the screen the length of those connectors. Okay, we've covered this basic information. Now let's go how to, let's say, connect them these audio jack plugs. It is very easy. You can solder it. I will also show you on the socket for audio jack plug. So for example, we have here 4-pole audio jack plug, and also let's add another audio jack plug 4-pole on the other side. So how to connect it? It is very easy. If you take off covering of bottom part, you see the contacts. So top contact from the bottom, it is same as leaf contact from the top. Or let's say tip, it is same as contact on the way down on the bottom. If you want to connect two audio jack plugs for maybe extension cable, you just need to connect top to top, second to second, third to third, and fourth to for contact. So let's just take away the audio jack plug and bring in the jack socket. You have also 4 contacts on it because it is 4-pole contact. Remember that some sockets has also switches like element, so it has one or several more contacts on it. So when you just push in the audio jack plug, it just disconnects some of the contacts. If you're not sure which contact is for what, you can just use your multimeter, or if you do not have it, you can use the battery and one light, LED diode or some light, and just test it, and you will see which contact is for what. So that was for today. I hope that you liked the video. If you have any questions, you can post them below this video in the comment section. Of course, if you want to get notified about new videos that I put up, of course you can subscribe and click bell icon. If you like the video, give big thumbs up. If you did not, thumbs down, and of course share with others so others can learn something also. And until next time, have a blessed people. Bye bye.
Oh,